welcome back. Close to Vienna. Since our days here are coming to an end, we are filling up the water tank. This is the compartment for the black water. You got your fresh water, and once you're done with dumping your black water, you can flush it there. So that's perfect. And did I mention that it's free? Totally free. Unbelievable. We are now here for over a week, taking full advantage of this place. Went into the city with Olivia, our Vespa. Took us around half an hour one way, but totally fine. She can handle it. She goes almost 60 miles an hour. And of course, since we're now on the road for a bit, for a couple of weeks, we are driving, in the first time of our lives, to a laundry station. Wash our clothes there, dry them, and probably during the waiting time get some work done. So this is it from IKEA. We dump all of our dirty clothes in there, and now we're about to wash them. Maybe next time we do it earlier. It's gonna be a hell lot of fun to carry this with Olivia. Very nice. Well, maybe not. Let's finish this up here and drive to the laundry station. Let's go. We made it to the washing machine salon. We decided against the traditional one because, as everything in Vienna, it's super expensive. Let's see. Looks like it would work. Very nice. One big one and a small one. And we probably need both. Let's go. Alright, so we're taking the big one for towels and the small one for the rest of the clothes. Yeah, and like I said, it's super affordable. The small one is 4 euros, the big one 8. Yeah, right. And in a classic salon in Vienna, it's twice the price, so we decided on this one. Yeah. Reviews of this place also really good. And in France, for example, they have those sort of dryers and washing machines outside, basically everywhere, at every major supermarket. Here in Vienna, not in Austria, but this one exists. And yeah, we are trying it out. And now we're gonna get a, how would you call it? A dryer, a thing you put your clothes on.
A laundry spider.
Right, let's get a laundry spider. Let's go.
Translation from German words to English is always very funny.
Laundry spider.
A laundry spider.
We're gonna put some graphic in here. That's the laundry spider. Let's go. A variety of laundry spiders.
So this we can put in the window. I like this one.
We've come to a decision, huh?
Yeah, we take the small one.
And this one. We are back! And the laundry should be done. How does it look like?
Very nice.
How does it smell?
Yeah, smells nice.
You wanna really use that?
Yes.
Okay, yeah, makes sense.
Where do you want to hang it?
We just bought some laundry spiders. And while we're at it, waiting for the dryer, we decided to clean Goldie. So how does it work?
Better be quick, we don't have enough money. Now she's golden again. How much did we spend? $6? $6 for washing Goldie. Beautiful. Is it dry? Not at all. It did nothing.
Very nice.
Very nice.
What would you say? Would you recommend such a place? Yes, but when it comes to drying, you have to spend more money than we did. There was a minimum amount, right? 15 minutes? Yeah. I mean,
nothing.
What did we expect? But since the sun is shining, very bright, I think we still have enough time to dry all of this with our, you know it, laundry spiders. That's right. This is laundry spider number 1 and solution number 2. So what's next, Captain?
The van.
Cleaning the van? Cleaning the van. Boom. She's very detail oriented.
It's annoying me. Always when I get out of bed, I see this dirt.
After staying here on this beautiful campground, longer than we intended, because we ordered a spare part for Goldie, because here in the window something broke and we needed to order the spare part, and the mail wasn't able to deliver it to the spot where we intended to deliver it to. Long story short, we don't have the part, but we're leaving anyway. Let's go. We're ready to go, except the pee compartment. And who's gonna do that? Me. Let's go. Just hiding behind this hatch. Not a teeny tiny bit gross.
You don't want to see this.
We can censor this whole thing here. Let's get this fella out of here. Ted Ford Kassettentoilette.
You always wanted to show your pee in front of camera, right?
Right. And also you might have asked yourself, do those word travelers poop in their toilet? And they
Nope.
don't, because it's gross. We tried it once in France and it's just,
It stinks.
it's gross.
Don't mix 1 and 2. So if you wondered, Maddy and Sascha, just number 1.
Right. Dial number 1 for success. It's the best. Do the toiletry dance. If you have any sort of anger, this is the perfect task to get rid of it. I always have the feeling that I forget something.
Off we go, leaving Kritzendorf. It's actually very beautiful. Look at that building. Super pretty.
Off we go. And I love it. And I think it's crazy. We settled in here for over a week, and then it's just a matter of, I don't know, 30-40 minutes. Everything's packed up and we're ready to go. And I like that. About to leave Austria, so we got our water, our pee tank is empty, very important. What else? We got cosmetics, we got gas, not gas, but the thing we cook with, this kind of gas, it was empty, and so we had to get new ones, and it wasn't that easy because we have specific bottles from Germany. They're the best, but the problem is that you can basically only get them in Germany, so I don't know, but we found a shop in Austria. They were very friendly. The border is very close. We have to figure out where to get the toll thingy.
Staatsgrenze coming up.
Let's see if there's something.
Some vignette.
Meters. Continue on.
Maybe go right, go right. Cars can park here.
Let's try to get one.
German. Ach, Papa,
Okay.
super, okay. Wir brauchen eine Vignette. Okay, alles klar.
Okay,
Gut.
okay.
Dankeschön. Schönen Tag noch. That was fast. It's also electronic. Just give them your license plate. $10 for 10 days is actually very fair.
Alright, now we got that. We could have done it via app. He basically did the same, entered the license plate and then said hold for how long. But yeah, now we get the real experience, yeah. Huh?
I think it was it was fun. It was like a little box office. Someone sitting there,
Right.
just putting your license plate in the computer.
New country! Hands on the wheel. New country. Slovakia.
Crazy apocalyptic views here. This looks like dystopia 1.0, really.
Left. Continue on badge also.
Oi. Bumpy roads here. Ay.
Turn left. Then you will arrive at your destination.
We're here.
We are here. Now we have to wait for our host. They have a little campsite here, which we're gonna stay. And I thought it's more romantic or more peaceful than on a regular campground, right? Maddy's going by foot. I'm in the car, steering. Hands on the wheel, you know the drill. Here she is.
That's really nice. And here we have a vineyard directly in the mountains. Hills, not really mountains. Yeah. Eieiei. Komm so nicht weg. And this is what we're dealing with right now. Yay. Ein bisschen zu mir denken. Sascha getting this thing off. It's way too long.
Did it come so early? Was unexpected.
We don't have a four-wheel drive. We can't make it.
What an adventure with such a big van, huh? With
So-
Goldie, she's holding up.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we're gonna try it again. Van life one-on-one. If you have a huge ass RV and you put a Vespa behind it, it gets even longer.
So our hosts were super friendly. They gave us fresh eggs. Maybe you
their own
see
chickens.
you see the chickens tomorrow when we manage to make it in tomorrow, and some wine from that vineyard.
Isn't it crazy? Huh? Locally produced, locally drank. I mean, produced there and drank here. For the night we're just gonna stay here in front of their business.
They have a bike repair shop and a fitness studio, so you can do fitness while you're waiting for your bike to be repaired.
Some real Slovakian entrepreneurs here,
Yeah.
huh? So cool.
All in one.
Yeah, we're gonna link them below. Yeah, we found them on Instagram. They are bloggers. And the city is very close, like a couple of minutes. City.
But it's quiet here. I like it quiet. So, this is the next attempt to go up there.
Alright, we finally made it. And for spots like these, on the meadow,
Where Goldie is slightly shifted like this, we bought those beauties here.
some ramps, which are really handy to take care of this uneven ground.
So we are just driving onto these.
They call Level Up. We're gonna link them below.
They're really nice.
And Maddy got some tool. Show us the tool.
This one, where you can actually see majorly uneven here. So we're gonna lift it on the right side, and then this is the goal.
Damn, guys, that easy. Let me show you the result.
This beautiful maneuver. There you go. This one is pretty even.
So I think we can live with that. So let's get settled here. Oh yeah, by the way, welcome to Bratislava.
Sieht ja gut aus. So sauber aufgeräumt, losgefahren und jetzt
All kaputt.